Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile. Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Welcome to new session of our good topic and one more topic of Polyset examination area. The topic is nothing but mensuration. Yes, friends, mensuration, measurable of 2D dimension to yes 3D dimensions. Friends, I want to tell you today in this chapter only based on polytechnic area literal information I should give to you. You have to see on the board what I have written. Yes, this is a one important chart is there. Now I hope that you are practicing well. You are having very hungriness about these remaining chapters also. Okay, definitely as per our schedule, definitely I will post the videos. You don't worry about that. And before exam, before exam means we have Saturday exam. Friday I am going to make a one more overall all chapters video for you. Overall all chapters video for you. You don't worry about that. Evening session it will send to you. You see the all the chapters video. What are the important questions? What are the focusing terms in each and every chapter? I will explain to you in that. Then you see watch that video, maybe 1 hour video. In that 1 hour you will get out of 60-40 easily. Okay, now if you practice these all the chapters in description link also, then you will get 60 by 60, no doubt at all. Okay, now let us come to the point mensuration. In these are all mainly 6 solids are there. Solids, a fixed shape, a cube, 6 solids are there. What are the solids? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere. Okay, these are all having lateral surface area, total surface area, volume. This is the formulas. If you know in your mind, then the problems will be able to solve it. Remaining formulas, area of triangle, area of rhombus, something it will come. It is already we know very well in previous classes. But mainly, if you know these all things, now I said no in probability. If you know the content, if you solve the answer, I proved it. Here also, if you know these all the things in your mind, then definitely you will write the answer. Let us see curved surface area, lateral surface area of cube, 4a square. Okay, now you feel total surface area of cube is 6a square. Volume will be a cube. 4a square, 6a square, a cube. Number of faces of cube is having 6. Number of vertices of a cube is 8. Number of edges of a cube is 12. As well as cuboid also 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. Keep in your mind. And diagonal of cube is root 3a. Diagonal of cuboid root of L square plus B square plus H square. This is additional formulas. Okay. Now cuboid LSA 2HA of L plus B. Cuboid TSA is 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. This is also 4 walls room. Area of 4 walls room. This formula also we can use like this. Next, volume of cuboid L into B into H. Very easy to remember. Okay. If you know the diagram, you see this is like a front side is like a perimeter. Front side like a square. Perimeter of a square 4a multiplied with height a. 4a into a 4a square. Now top bottom you should add it. A square, 4a square plus a square, 2a square, 6a square will come. Easy to remember the formula. Of course, you already practice it. In this content will be there in your mind. If you want detailed information about this chapter, in our playlist, beautiful videos are there about menstruation. Each and every solid I explained very clearly with diagrammatically. You see there, then definitely you will get the perfect knowledge. Already you know perfect some idea about this menstruation. No need to go. If you want. In the school age, you are not listening in classes, you must see that, then you will come to this video. Definitely, you will understand. Now, cylinder. LSA of cylinder, 2 pi r h. TSA of cylinder, 2 pi r of h plus r. Volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Now, cone, pi r l, pi r of l plus r. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square. And that means the ratio of cylinder and cone is 1:3. This is also one of the important point, note point. The volume of cone and cylinder is 1:3 or volume of cylinder and cone is 3:1 because a pi r square this is 1 by 3rd part of pi r square 1 by 3 you remember. Okay, now sphere means like a shape of ball 4 pi r square. TSA LSA should be same. Now volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here hemisphere half of the sphere 2 pi r square. Here lateral surface area 2 pi r square, but total surface area will be different 3 pi r square 3 pi r square. Okay, now volume will be half of it 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is a literal information. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere. Cube is having one side, length, breadth, height is same. Cuboid is having length, breadth, height is different. Cone is, now cylinder is having one radius, one height. Now cone is having one radius, one height, one slant height. Slant height like a Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse. Now this is called sphere. Sphere is having radius. Height is nothing but radius only. That is nothing but diameter. R plus R 2D. R plus R 2R. Nothing but D. Height is nothing but diameter of sphere. Okay? No height. Only diameter. Nothing. The diameter we should consider as height. Now this is hemisphere. Hemisphere is having radius only. Dear children, this is some information about mensuration upon formulas. Okay? The literal information, based on that this information we are going to solve the problem. Let us see the problem. Now see the first question. The volume of cylinder is 49,896 centimeter cube. Its curved surface area is 4,752 square meters. Then its radius. What is given? Volume of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder. Volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. Curved surface area of cylinder, dear children, from the box you can say simple 2 pi r h. You know very well. You have to take that ratio. Yes, volume of cylinder. Shortcut I am going to write, because in the exam also you have to write shortcut way, then time will be safe. Volume of cylinder by curved surface area of cylinder. You know the formula, Nana? Pi r square h by 2 pi r h. The volume of cylinder is given 49,896 by 4,752. Dear children, in this which is cancellation? Pi, r, h cancel. We are getting one radius, 1, 2. R by 2 we are getting. Now, here 11 4 ja 44. Better to go with 11 table, 4, 11 or 2 table. 11 4 ja 44, 3 will be there, 35. 11 3 ja 33. Again 2 remainder, near value 2, 22. 11 2 ja 22, right? Right now. Next, 11 4 ja 44, 5 will be there, 58. 11 5 ja 55, 3. 11 3 ja 33, 6. 11 6 ja 66. I am going to divide on by 11. I am going to divide by 11. 6 7 ja 42. 6 2 ja 12. 6 7 ja 42. 1. 6 2 ja 12. Next 6 7 ja 42. 3 will be remainder 33. 6 5 ja 30. 6 6 ja 36. 6 6 is 30. Next 6 1 ja 6 1. 6 2 ja 12. 6 1 ja 1. 6 2 ja 12. 3. 6 6 ja 36. Okay na? Next 6 2 ja 6 2 ja 6 1 ja. So I am getting 21 by 2. Somewhat calculation will be required and compulsory. Okay na? So I am going to do this total table, 11 table, 6 table only. So r by 2 equals to 21 by 2. Now 2 to get cancelled, r equals to 21 centimeter. This is your answer. Right? This is your answer. Sir, if I want to do another method means if you do means another method you must have height. But here height is not given. Compulsory you should go with this method only. Comparison of volume by CSA. Volume of cylinder by CSA. Pi r square h by 2 pi r. Here r by 2 you are getting that total volume calculation after getting you have to do 21 by 2. 2 to get cancel, r equals to 1. This is a perfect easy answer. Right? Now, yes, this is one good question, lengthy question. You see, Amma. A cylindrical pencil is sharpened. A cylindrical pencil is sharpened to produce a perfect cone at one end. At one end, perfect cone. With no overall loss of its length. Its length. The diameter of the pencil is 1 centimeter and the length of the conical portion is 2 centimeter. Diameter is given, length is given. Length means height, diameter is d. Calculate volume of the savings. You have a pencil. ఒక పెన్సిల్ అనుకోండి, దీన్ని మీరు షార్ప్నర్ తో షార్ప్ చేస్తారు, సమ్ రస్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కదా. దిస్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద సిలిండర్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ షార్పనింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సేమ్. బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద సేవింగ్ అంటే ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వాట్ ఈస్ రిమైనింగ్ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్. సింపుల్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఈస్ యువర్ పెన్సిల్, నటరాజ్ ఆర్ అప్సరా పెన్సిల్. ఆఫ్టర్ డూయింగ్ షార్పనింగ్ లైక్ దిస్, so length will be height will be same, no loss. So h equals to 2 only. Here diameter is given. This is the diameter. So diameter is 1. You remember the cylinder diameter and cone will be same because it should be inscribed. It should be on same base. This is a cone circular base. This is also cylinder circular base. Okay, na? Both are same. So diameter same, radius will be same. So half of the diameter radius, that nothing but 0.5 centimeter. Diameter is 1, diameter by 2. Half of the diameter is nothing but we will get radius. Okay, na? Because radius, sum of two radius equals to diameter. I want radius means d by 2. You can do like that. Okay, na? Right. Now what is also calculated volume? Means first what is the volume? Yes, volume of cylinder formula pi r square h minus. After sharpening, what we are getting? Cone. Perfect shape of cone. Volume of cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now do the cross multiplication. 3 into pi r square, 3 pi r square h minus 1 into 1, 1 pi r square h by 1 3 is 3. I am doing LCM or cross multiplication. 3 minus 1, 2 pi r square h by 3. This is a saving volume. But we have to substitute in the place of r and h is equals to 0.5 and 2. Substitute 2 into, yes, he said here, pi value, in the question he mentioned, pi value you must take 355 by 130. In the paper it will be there, you must take the pi value 355 by 130. We should take like that. 355 by 130, radius 0.5 whole square, h value, length is nothing but height. Children, here 2 into 355 by 113, 113 is a prime number, so the better to do carefully. 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 whole square, 5 by 10, 0.5, fraction form, 5 by 10, power 2 will be there, 2 times you write, now 2 will be there here. Yes, Nana? 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 get cancelled, right? 2 get cancelled. What is remaining you can write amount. 355 on numerator, denominator, here 2 by 3, here 2 by 3, 3 will be there, 133 ja, 339. So 355 by 339, definitely 1 ja will go. Quotient starts with 1 ja. So here 0.05 is not an option, 0.91 is not an option. So 1.5 or 1.05. This is a somewhat confused. Don't worry, you come with me. 339 divides 355. 1 ja. 339. Remainder 16. Carry 15 minus 9, 6. 4 minus 3, 1. 16. So it is not possible. Put a point. Take a point here 0. 160 also will not divisible by 339. Again we have to apply 0. Then it becomes to 1600. So 1.0. Where it is? No need to do remaining answer. No need to do. What I have done? Simple concept. Volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. I am getting 2 by 3 pi r square h. In that I substitute the values. This value will be divided decimal long division process. I should get 1.0. Then I have to stop the answer. Then I should select the answer. So 1.05. Okay. Now let us come to the third question. If the diagonal of a rhombus are 10 cm, 24 cm, then the value area, simple area of rhombus 1 by 2 d1 into d2. Area of rhombus formula 1 by 2 d1 into d2. 1 by 2 given, d1 given, d2 given. d1 is 10 cm, d2 is 24 cm. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 24 5 ja, 120 cm square. Yes, this is your answer, simple answer. Like that questions also they should ask in the exam. Simple diagonal formula 1 by 2 d1 into d2. That's it. Next, the radius and height of right circular cone are 4 7 cm respectively. Then the volume of cone. Volume of cone. That's it. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Right. 1 by 3 pi r square h. In the exam time you write on the paper directly 1 by 3 pi r square. Fat. Now here 1 by 3 pi value 22 by 7. You write fatapat. Radius, yes, radius. First number r, radius. First value 6. Don't take 7. 6 square means 6 into 6. Second value height. Your second value is 7. That's it. 7 will cancel. Right? 3 1 ja 3 2 ja cancel. So 22 into 2 into 6. 22 2 ja 44. 44 into 6. 6 4 ja 260. 246. 246 centimeters square. 246. Yes, cc. Cubic centimeter. Because here centimeter cube is nothing but cc. Cc means cubic centimeter. Okay. The answer will be 246 cc. 44 6 are 246. Okay. When dimension, fifth question is here. When dimensions are halved, Ratio of TAC of new and old cuboid. Oh. What? TAC of cuboid given. In that, the total volumes will be half it. Half means 1 by 2. HALF half. Half means 1 by 2. What is the ratio of new and old cuboid? Simple amount. You see here concept. This is a cuboid amount. Okay, na? Clearly. TAC of cuboid 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. Clear. It is half it. Half means next this old one, new one. New cuboid half of it amount. 2 of L by 2. B by 2, again B by 2, H by 2, every dimension will be half of it. Means L by 2, B by 2, I have to take the common 2 into 2, 4. 1 by 4 is taken as a common. Remaining LB, BH plus HL will come. Children, 2 of LB plus BH plus HL is the TAC of cuboid. After half of it dimension, we are getting 2 by 4, half of it, we are getting old one, this is amount. New one means 2 by 4, LB plus BH plus HL. He is asking ratio. Yes, ratio of new cuboid to old cuboid. New cuboid volume 2 by 4, LB plus BH plus HL. And old one, 2 of, we know very well the formula, 2 of LB plus HL. This one cancel. 2 by 4 is to 2. 2 to cancel. So 1 by 4 is to 1. So 4 transfer action, 1 is to 4. Answer is 1 is to 4. Now direct answer. Simple. This is half of it. Half of means 1, 2 will come. Divided by 2. Each and every number divided means here 2 will be there. No? 1 by 4 will come. So 4, 1 is to 4. That's it. 2 get cancelled, 1 is to 4. Direct answer. Okay. Otherwise, old first formula, right? Half of it, L by 2, B by 2, H by 2, all 2 means 2 into 2, 4. 4 taken as a common. So 2 by 4 will come. You write here. New one, old one. This bracket get cancel. Same formula. 2 by 4 equals to 2. 2 to cancel. 1 by 4 is to 1. So do the cross multiplication. 1 is to 1, 1. 4 is to 1, 4. That is the answer. 4, 1 is to 4. Okay. Now let us see one more interesting question for you, dear children. Question number 6. 3 spheres of radius 6 cm, 1 cm and 8 cm can be 3 small spheres can be melted into big sphere, single sphere, then the radius of the single spheres. Very interesting question, as well as board exam, competitive exam. Simple amount. Sphere 1, sphere 2, sphere 3. These 3 are melted into big sphere. Right? Now, this is what amount 4 by 3. What is the volume of sphere formula? 4 by 3 R1 cube, 4 by 3 R2 cube, 4 by 3 R3 cube, because radius are different given. R1 given, R2, R3. That is equals big sphere 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Okay, na? Now I should take the common here 4 by 3 pi, then R1 cube, R2 cube, R3 cube. This is the simplest way we have to solve the answer. Simplest way, shortcut way. 4 by 3 get cancelled. You see the problem how it is going to very simple manner. Now R1 6 cube, R2 1 cube, R3 8 cube is equals to R cube, capital R cube. 6 cube 2 16, 1 cube 1, 8 cube 5 12 is equals to R cube. I told you, square of numbers, cube of numbers compulsory keep in your mind. Then it is easy. Now sum of these three 729. R cube equals 729. R cube equals, it can be written as 9 cube. 729 can be written as 9 power 3. Exponent form 9 power 3. So cube cancel, R equals to 9. Finish. Answer is finished. Right? Next. The perimeter of a rectangle room is 34 cm and length of the diagonal is 13 cm. Then the dimensions of the room. It is answer to question. This is answer to question. So perimeter of rectangle room. What is the perimeter formula? 2 of L plus B equals 34. Now L plus B equals to what? 17. 34 by 2, 17. Now diagonal of a rectangle formula, root of L square plus B square is equals 13 given. Diagonal is given. Diagonal of a rectangle, root of L square plus B square. But what about diagonal of cuboid? Root of L square plus B square plus H square. Diagonal of a square is root 2a. But what about diagonal of a cube? Root 3a. Right? Now, squaring on both sides, we should get direct. This is 169, 13 square value 169, L square plus B square equals to 169. From 19, you can take the equation 1, no need to take it. Direct answer. What are the options? Yes. 7 square, 49, 6 squares, 36, 49, 36, nothing equals to 169. 49, 36, 85. 11, 121, 36, 157. 12 square, 144. 5 square, 25. 145 plus 25, 169. Yes, tally. So L equals to 12, B equals to 5 is substituted here. Square of these two equals to 169. So which option will be fit here? This is the option. And without pen and paper also we can do this answer. How it is? What is the perimeter number? 34. Perimeter means 2 of L plus B kada? 7 plus 6, 13. 13 double 26. Not only. 11 plus 6, 17. 17. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 to the 34. 12 plus 5, 34. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 to the 36. These two are not option. May answer will be between these two. Between these. Then we can think the two answers we are getting. Next we can think diagonal. Diagonal means root of L square plus B square equal 30. That means 11 square 121, 6 square 36 means 157. But 157 is not a correct option for 169. This is a correct. Okay, right. Next children, very good question. If sphere, a cylinder and a cone. Sphere, cylinder, cone have a same radius, same height. Then what is the ratio of their curved surface areas? Yes, come to the point. Sphere, cylinder, cone. These three are having same radius. This is a radius. Okay, radius are equal, no problem. This is the height of sphere 2r. Height of sphere is nothing but diagonal. Diameter. Diameter is nothing but height. This is height is h only here, no problem. Here height is h only, no problem. Clear? Okay. No? What is asking? Ratio of curved surface area. Children, here sphere, cylinder, cone are having equal radius, equal height. Height of the sphere is 2r because r plus r 2r, nothing but diagonal. Height of the cylinder also 2r, height of the cone also 2r. But here slant height I require because curved surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Curved surface area of cone is pi r l from the diagram. Here pi get cancelled. See, simple. Here r get cancelled. What we are getting? 4 pi. 4 r will be extra. 2 h l. Children, very important. L value, slant height. What is the formula for slant height? Square root of h square plus r square by using Pythagoras theorem. H, height of cone 2r. Substitute here. 2r whole square plus r square. Nothing but 2r whole square, 4r square plus r square. Nothing but 5r square. Separate the root. Root 5, root r square. Square root cancel, root 5r. This is the slant height. But what about h, height of the cylinder 2r? Here substitute. 4r, height of the cylinder is 2r, slant height just now we have to get it root 5r. Now r, you can cancel. 4 is to 2 to the 4 is to root 5. Okay, very simple answer we are getting. Okay, next, very interesting also. What I have done? Height, radius common number. Height will be, this height is equals to both cylinder and cone. Instead of here h you can substitute 2r. L value we are getting by using formula 4 is to 4 is to root 5. Next formula, and this question in the exam, how to write direct shortcut way? Okay, you don't do these all the things. I will tell you. Sphere and cylinder having height is same, radius is same. Here extra will be cone only having different slant height. These two are having same height, same radius. Then here height okay, radius okay, slant height is different. So cone is different. Which is same? Sphere and cylinder. Okay. So first two ratios are equal. In this option, what are the first two ratios are equal? These two are different. These two are different. This is only equal. That is the logic answer we can put in the exam. Otherwise, you can go like this. Okay. Right. If the diagonal of a cube is 4 root 3, then the side of the cube, diagonal of a cube, just now I repeat the value, diagonal of a cube formula, root 3, diagonal of root 3 into a is equals to 4 root 3 given. Root 3 get cancelled, a equals to 4. Finish. If you know the formula, answer will be finished. The volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube is 19,404. Find its radius. 2 by 3 pi wall you know very well, 22 by 7 into r cube is equals 19,404. I want r cube. These two all these are transfer to right side, it will be reciprocal it. 3 by 2, 7 by 22. Where is the 22? Compulsory the table will go for 11 amma. 11 beta. Let us see. 11 2 ja. 11 2 ja 22. 11 1 ja 11. 8 will be remainder 84. 11 7 ja 77. Here 70. 7 remainder. Pakkana 0 undi kabatti 70. 11 6 ja 66. 4. 11 4 ja 44. Next. Again 2 2. 2 1 ja 2 8 ja 16. 1 remainder. Again 2 8 ja 16. 4 2 2 ja. Next again 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 2 4 ja 2 1 ja. So 441 into 3 into 7. 441 can be written as 21 square. 21 21 is 441 by the knowledge of square of numbers. Now 3 7 is 21. Here 21, take the common power should be added. 2 plus 1 3. So r cube equals to 20. R cube equals 21 cube. R is equals 21. R cube is 21. That is the answer. How it is easy? Just formula apply, just cancellation. Somewhat cancellation will be there. Okay? Do it, then you will get the answer. Now let us see one more interesting questions for you, dear children. See children, the question is if the ratio of radii of two spheres is 2:3, then the ratio of their surface area. Oh, two radius is given, two radius radii given. So he is asking surface area. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Clear? Here 2 will be given, so we can write 4 pi r1 whole square, 4 pi r2 whole square. Here r1 2, r2 3. So substitute 4 pi 2 square, 4 pi 3 square. 4 5 get cancelled, 2 square value 4, 3 square value 9. Answer is 4:9. Finish. Now shortcut. Because sphere to cone, cone to cylinder is not given. Only sphere given. Two are equal quantity, equal solids. So we can write direct answer. He is asking curved surface area means square only. 2 square 4, 3 square 4. Here only we should get the answer. Clear? Okay na? Next. The ratio of volume of cone, a cylinder, hemisphere of same base radius and given equal heights. Ratio of volume of cone, cylinder, hemisphere of same radius and same height. What is the ratio? This is the answer. How would I know? I will tell you. Let us see. Volume of cone. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere is 2 pi r cube. Here very important point will be, here h is considered as radius because equal heights, no? Here cone and sphere, cone and cylinder, here cone, here cylinder, here hemisphere are having equal height. Here hemisphere height is r, here hemisphere is height r. So definitely this h is also should be r only. We can consider it r only. That is a very important point. Chalo, instead of you can h, you can take r into r. Here pi r square into r. Okay na? Here 2 by 3. Automatically it is pi r cube. See, pi r cube, pi r cube, pi r cube get cancelled. R square into r, r cube. R square into r cube get cancelled. 1 by 3 is to 1 is to 2 by 3. Do the LCM. 3 is to 2. Simple. But logic I have to tell you. First what I have done, let us see. Laterals are now volume of cone, volume of cylinder, volume of hemisphere. Instead of h, why should I take r? Means this height will be equals to this height, this height. Here h is nothing but r. Here r, no? This is also r, this is also r. Substitute 4 pi r cube, pi r cube, pi r cube get cancelled. 1 by 3 is to 1 is to 3 is the LCM. Here 3 will comes to here. 1 is to 3 is to 2. That is the answer. Now direct answer, we can see this question. Volume of cone, volume of 1 by 3 something. Cylinder, pi r. Cylinder coefficient is 1. Hemisphere 2 by 3. So here 1 by 3, here 1 2 by 3. Here 3 is not there here. Here 3 is not. So 3 will comes to here up. 1 is to 3 is to 2. 1:3:2. Direct answer. Direct answer. Next. If the area of equilateral triangle is 36 root 3 centimeter, then the perimeter. Area of an equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle root 3 by 4a square. It is given 36 root 3. Find perimeter. If you find perimeter means perimeter of a equilateral triangle formula 3a, because all sides are equal. A plus a plus a. 3a. If you want 3a, you must find a. What is a, ma? Here root 3 get cancelled. Okay na? Now a square equals to 36 into 4. A square equals to 6 square into 2 square. Now a square is equals to 12 square. Square cancel, a is equals to 12. If a equals to 12, 12 plus 12 plus 12, 3 12 is 36. Finish answer. Okay. Next. Here the volume of vessel Pulakundi in the form of cylinder is 448 pi centimeter cube and its height is 7 centimeter. And the base is asking radius. Here volume given, height given, is asking radius. Volume of cylinder formula simple, pi r square h is equals to 448 pi. Now pi r value we should find, h value is given 7. 448 pi. Simple, pi get cancelled. R square equals to 448 by 7 comes to down 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42, 2 will be there. 7 4 is 28. So R square equals 64, R equals to 8 square. Square cancel, R equals to 8. So radius will be 8 cm. Right? How much? Just before 1 minute we have to do it. When it is possible, know the formula. Next, the radius of base of cylinder is double. Radius of base of cylinder is double. If the height remains unchanged, height will not change, then the curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h. Okay, na? Curved surface. He is saying radius will be double. Double means 2r. Now substitute. Height will not change. Same as the height. 2 into 2, 4 pi r h. This is 2 pi r h. After double it, 4 pi r h. Under 2 multiplied with 2, we will get 4. Double it. 2 double 4. Yes, double it. If you change the radius double, then the total curved surface area will be also double. It is comes to triple 3 times. The total surface area will comes to 3 times. That is the answer. N times will come. Here 2 times radius will be double. The total area also will be double. This is the answer. Now 16th question. If a right angle triangle is revolved about its hypotenuse, then it will be forms a. For example, we have a right angle triangle. This right angle triangle, you have to revolve it along with the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Along with hypotenuse, it will be revolved. Which will be formed? Think once. Pause the video. Guess the answer. Yes, you are right. That is cone. Right angle triangle revolves along its axis like this revolves. It will comes like a cone. Now, rectangle revolves. It becomes a cylinder. Rectangle revolves becomes a cylinder, and right angle triangle revolves becomes a cone. This is an important answer. Next, more interesting question. Let us see, dear children. The radius of the sphere is increased by 100%. The volume of the resulting sphere is increased by. Okay, children. Here the increase by 10%, then the volume, the word will be volume. So that is the reason we should take the volume of sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here variable will be radius na. So radius only will be increased by 100%. 1, 2 will come. L, 2L will come. 100, 200 will get. Now here R, 2R we will get. R 100% means 2R we will get. R place R, 2R. In the place of R, you can substitute 2R. Whole cube. So nothing but the resultant volume will be 4 by 3 pi 8 R cube. 8 has taken common. We should take inside 4 by 3 pi R cube. This is the result volume. This is the old volume. What is the increased volume? Nothing but increased volume is nothing but the new volume minus the old volume, given volume 4 by 3 pi r. Simple amma. Here 8 minus 1, 7. Here 8. Here anything is not there means 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 of 4 by 3 pi r cube. This value. Okay na? Ratio. This value by given value. Original value. Old value. Get cancelled. Into ratio. Percentage given no? Into 100. 7 into 100, 700. That's it. This is the process of traditional method of this answer. But logic, you want to know? Logic. No need to do this all the things. What is asking? 100%. What is the radius here? What is the value of formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. R cube. R cube. R double. 2r. 2r cube. 8. 8 times it will be. 8 original value 1. 8 minus 1. 7. Into 100. 700. Finish. 1 second. 100% na? 100%. He is not asking 50%. He is not asking 50%. 100 means r becomes to 2r. 2r whole cube. Volume 4 by 3 pi r cube no? 8 2r whole cube. 8r cube. Original r cube. 8r cube minus r cube. Thinking like that in your mind. 7r cube. 7%. 7 into percent symbol 100. 700. Direct answer. Okay. Next. Children. Here you should observe that. To find out slant height of a cone, this is the slant height of a cone, we use dash theorem in this. Thales theorem, SAS congruency, SSS congruency, Pythagoras. Simple, everyone will say this is like a right angle triangle, hypotenuse nothing but we should use Pythagoras theorem or Baudhayana theorem. Right on. Next, the ratio of volume of cylinder cone whose radii equal and having same height. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. Write down as is ratio symbol. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square get cancelled. 1 is to 1 by 3. 3 will come to this side. 3 is to 1. Children, here very important point. Cylinder to cone 3 is to 1. Okay. Cone to cylinder 1 is to 3. Okay na? The idea will be equal. Cylinder to cone 3 is to 1. 3 1 ja 3 1. 3 1 ja 3 3 is 1. Sometimes cone to cylinder they are asking, the answer will be 1 is to 3. Got it? Next. A joker's cap is in the form of right circular cone. Joker's cap. In a birthday cap. In birthday we have some children are keeping the cap. No? A joker cap in the form of right circular cone. His radius is 7. Height is 24. Then the area of sheet required to make a 10 such caps. Okay, simple. Yes, this is your joker cap, right? Like this will be there. Now, first we have to find CSA of a cap. Pi RL. Curved surface area of a cone is pi RL. A radius is given, amma, but slant height is not there. We should find a slant height by using this formula. L is equals under the square root of h square plus r square. Here radius is 7, height is 24. Yes, you are good. 7, 24 will come by using Pythagorean. Next value is 25. That's it, amma. Direct you can write it. Now check it. 24 square, 7 square, 576, 49, 576, 49, 625, square root of 625, 25. L equals 25. Now substitute here. Pi RL. How many caps? 10 caps. 10 into pi RL. 10 into 22 by 7 into radius 7. L 25. 7 cancel. 7 get cancel. 10 into 22. 220 into 25. 25 to the 50 carry 5. 25 to the 50 plus 5 55 and 1 more 0. So 5500 centimeters. This is the answer. So the area to required sheet is 5500 centimeters. That's if you know radius 7, height, then the slant height will be 25. Directly you can get the answer. Directly. So I hope that you are enjoyed. These all the 20 problems which are more important from the previous examination areas. I explained my best of knowledge. It can be useful for you. You can use it. And in the description area also so many problems are there. We have less time. But go through thoroughly model paper whatever it is, but these are very important for you children. You practice it, and before one day, and means Saturday before Friday, I have to send the evening beautiful video for upon all the chapters, which is the most important points, which is the most important focus topics I should explain again to you. You can see that night that video and go for exam perfectly, bravely, and get the perfect rank. All the best. Till then, practice well. Bye bye.